guys, medyo messy siya. Yan si Manny boy. And we had a lot. So that grocery is around $160. So that would last us for a while. A couple of weeks, I guess. Chips. He would starting bringing chips at work. And then more picante sauce for our chips. Chips dip, whatever you call it. And then hazelnut grounds for our coffee, 2 of that. And then onion. I need to put it here. And then got some chickens and what else did we got? So this is yellow onions. Or white onions, whatever you call it. So I do have some onions from last time that I needs to be used first. And that. So, ano ba? So, ayan, medyo magulo siya. Chips, bananas, bread. He bought like 3 different kinds of bread. What's in our freezer? Yan siya. Vegetables. All those are frozen vegetables. Medyo magulo. Well, got here meats. Puro meat lang naman yan. Ice cream. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung nilagay yung ice cream. Pero, yeah, we have 2 different kinds of ice cream. One is vanilla. One is this cherry chocolate ice cream, which our favorite. And some stuff on top of the fridge. You know, Filipino style. And what else we got here? Medyo magulo talaga siya. Essentially na normal na buhay. Butter, sour cream, more cheese, and then some sauce that we use. Got orange juice, 7-Up milk, watermelon right there, eggs, ham, vegetables, and this is my dinner. More vegetables right there, and more vegetables. And I need to grab this stuff because it's dinner time. Oh, got more cheese din pala. So, ito yung receipt, diba? Galing. Okay. 160 and 50. Got 2 more Colby Jack cheese. And I don't know if we freeze namin yan. Bananas. This should go for a throw. And what else? Manny is still here. So, guys, ano ba? Yan lang. Pudding, masarap yan. Parang barbarian something. I'll show you my dinner for tonight. I'm really hungry. So, I've got chicken, a bread. I got some gravy, which is good. I got a butter. And then, what is this? Oh, coleslaw. Coleslaw, chicken, mashed potato. So, kakain na ako. It smells really, really good. So, Manny say bye. Bye. God bless everyone. So, yeah. Medyo messy siya. Next time, yun na yun. Yun na yun sa fridge namin. Medyo magulo pa to. Ganun naman talaga. So see you and God bless you all. I need to eat. Kain tayo.